Hello and welcome. So from next videos we are going to make other mobile game that would be a shoot enemy. So I don't know what do you call this game, but I have named this game as shoot enemy, and I'll show you how the game would look like. So basically it would be like it will just show you the random users. It would have a gun, and what you need to do, you need to click on that person, or I would just say click on that character who has gun. So that means we need to shoot the enemy, and we are assuming that the enemies are one who are having the gun, right? So let me just show you how the game would look like and how you can play it. So here is our game. So this is the UI of a game, and here we have a time and we have a kill a person with gun. That means this is what we need to do. We need to kill a person who is having a gun. And how do we kill it? We tap on it. So if you tap on that person, that would be killed. Okay. And here we have a button to play the game, or I would just say to start the game. And there is a button to stop the game. And there is a score here. So now I will click on play. So let's just see how the game would start. So here the game is started and I can see the characters. I would just click on this guy. So let's see what happens if I click on the wrong person. That means I don't need to kill this guy, but let's say if I click on that. So it will shout like that. That means we have choose some other guy that we now need to kill. So here the score is updated, and here if you see the score, here it is saying 5-2. That means there are 5 number, or I would just say the 5% we have killed, right? And there are 2% which we don't need to kill it. Still we killed it by mistake. So let's just quickly finish this game. Okay, sorry, I again choose this guy. Oh, we don't need to kill that one. Let's kill this guy. Let's kill this one. Oh, sorry, let's kill this guy. Oh, sorry. And let's just kill this guy as well. Oh, sorry. Okay, so the game is over and we have scored 21, and out of them 11 were the wrong person. That means we don't need to kill that guy, but still we by mistake clicked on it. That is why we can see there is an 11 count there. So ideally the score should be at the right hand side. That means here there should be 0 because we don't want to kill any other person, right? So if you want to replay it, you can replay it. So this is how the game would look. So let's just try to make this game from the next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.